girlies! Today I want to show you how I prepare my nails before gel, how I repair my beaks, and most important, how I line my nail in Slavic way. I don't know what does it even mean, but I didn't see this stuff on American YouTube, so that's why I think that's something Slavic stuff. So anyway, let's get started. As you can see here, what we need to do is move our cuticle. I'm not really removing it or cutting it, but you can see how I'm moving it. So that's why I'm not really pushing. I'm just moving it so gently. You don't need to really push it so hard. Also, I'm gonna use a drill for cleaning my cuticle from my dead cells and my sinus. Also, for cleaning, don't forget that for right side we use in reverse and for left side we use in forward. Don't forget about it. Also, I want to show you how to file your nails. You need to make sure you go in under your nail. We have nail prep dehydrator, primer, and also base. Actually, primer is not necessary in this, but still I'm using it so I will be sure that base will be on the place. I want to also show you how I put my base on my nails. So you can see I'm moving it like this, so I'll be sure that every cell on my nail is in base. Okay guys, sorry, I'm not really feeling good right now, but I'm still doing my nails. I want to say that it's not only important make your base like small layer, but also how you put your hand into the lamp. Just put your hand into the lamp is not enough. You need to make sure all your fingers are like this. You need to make a little false, not like this, but like this. You see? So every single finger will be well done. I already done these nails yesterday, so as you can see, everything's perfect. Almost. I still have a little problem here, but it's not really matter, I guess. It's not really, you can see, but yeah, it's a little annoying. That's true. Now I want to show you how I line my nails. So basically I'm also doing it with a round lamp, so my blink will be perfect. Also, it's not really perfect, I'm just learning, so that's why I want to show you how you're supposed to do this, but still you need a lot of practice. As you can see, I'm always moving it and also rotating it somehow, so gravity also will help me make it perfect in line and bleed. By the way, fun fact, one hand I was making for 7 hours. I took so much time just to practice. Don't think that it's supposed to be like this. Actually, the professionals in Ukraine make all of this for 10 fingers for 2 hours, maybe 3. But also, I just wanted to practice so bad, that's why it took so much time. Also, you need to compare your another nails that you already done, so you will know the length and also when you need to file it. So make sure to check. We can see a little beak here, so anyway we need to fix it. I'll be using non-stick gel. You can use whenever you want, but still I personally love it just because it's so easy to use. When you use it, it feels like plastiline. But still, it's really comfortable because you can just use your fingers without anything and it will not stick to your hand. It is so genius. That's what we have now. As you can see, I decided to make the simplest design as possible can be. It's just pinkish sparklish nail designs. Now you can see how I work. Just look at this. It's our result. I guess that time was worth it. Are you here? Wait, you're really here? Oh, thank you. So thank you that you watched until here. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Of course, if you want to, you can hit the like button. Also, of course, if you want to. And if you want to learn more or you want dedicated video about how I remove my nails, because it's not really hard. You need like technique and drill, and you know how to do this stuff, but it's a lot of practice. So if you want to, you can just tell me and I'll do this for free because I can. And thank you for watching. Bye. Boom. I made my hair especially for this intro, so please like now. Ooh, you have 5 seconds.